Welcome to Super Top. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of robot vacuums, comparing two outstanding contenders, the Dreame D10 Plus and the Xiaomi X10. Both offer incredible features to make your cleaning life easier, but which one is the right fit for your home? Stick around to find out. And remember, the links to access the best prices for both products are in the video description below. Similarities. Color. Both models boast sleek, modern designs that blend effortlessly into your home decor. Capacity. Each vacuum offers large dust bags and effective self-emptying bases, ensuring minimal maintenance. Navigation. Equipped with advanced LiDAR technology for efficient mapping and intelligent navigation. Control. Both connect seamlessly to apps, allowing you to schedule cleanings, set no-go zones, and customize cleaning preferences. Battery life. Each vacuum is powered by a high-capacity battery, ensuring long run times for large spaces. Dust bag capacity. Both have a dust bag with a capacity of 2.5 milliliters. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best prices. Differences. Suction power. The Dreame D10 Plus offers 4,000 PA of suction, while the Xiaomi X10 takes a step further with 5,200, providing a slight edge in raw power. Water tank. The Dreame D10 Plus has a 145 milliliter water tank, while the Xiaomi X10's water tank is 200 milliliters. Sensors. Xiaomi X10 includes additional sensors for precise edge cleaning and more advanced obstacle avoidance, which can be particularly useful in cluttered spaces. Size and weight. The Dreame D10 Plus is slightly more compact and lightweight, making it easier to move or store if needed. Dock features. Xiaomi X10's dock boasts a 1,000 watt rated power compared to Dreame's 600 watts, allowing for quicker and more efficient dust and water management. Remember that the links for both products are in the description. So, which robot vacuum should you choose? Choose the Dreame D10 Plus if you prioritize a quieter operation, slightly more compact design, and a reliable balance of vacuuming and mopping features. Opt for the Xiaomi X10 if you need stronger suction, faster self-emptying, and more advanced sensors for precise cleaning. Both vacuums are exceptional options, but your choice will depend on your home's specific needs. Be sure to check the links in the description to snag the best deals available. Thank you for watching Super Top. If you enjoyed this comparison, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and activate the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. See you at the next Super Top.